here is my Kenmore vacuum. It's an Intuition. I have nothing but good things to say about this vacuum. I did a lot of research before. I was purposely looking for one with a bag. I didn't want just the filter because I knew that eventually all the dust particles would like fall through the filter and get into my motor. That's exactly what happened with my last vacuum, which was a cordless one. There's like benefits definitely to the cordless vacuum, but I felt like it just didn't suck as good. The part, like, it died because it didn't have a bag and it was just a little filter. And it's just like overall not the best. This is great quality though. I've loved it so far. The cord's long enough that I don't really notice it. And I feel like having it plugged in gives me that extra power that I didn't get from just like a battery pack. There's a lot of features to it as well that make it convenient. You can turn your brush on and off. That's the power switch. This allows you to, so if you take this cord off, you can lift the wand up, which is hard to do one-handed. Hang on. You can lift this wand up so that you can like clean any individual crumbs. It comes with 3 different attachments. I don't have the roller brush attachment up here. It's like a mini version of this, where it spins when you vacuum. I really like it because I have carpeted stairs, and I feel like I can never get the carpeted stairs very clean with just the wand, and then I don't want to like carry this whole thing in vacuum, so it's super nice to have that like little attachment that rolls for you, comes with it regularly. This little part just comes up on its own if you need like a quick vacuum up like a mess. This whole thing comes up, so you can leave that base behind. This is what I would do, is I was like, if I was vacuuming the stairs, so I didn't have to carry the entire vacuum with me. It's got some weight to it, for sure. So, you wouldn't want to like have to carry the whole thing if you didn't want to. I have had it, like I said.
So I love this vacuum cleaner. My husband thinks it's weird that I say I love a vacuum cleaner, but I have a really bad shoulder, and I have not been able to push a vacuum cleaner in such a long time until I got this one. So let's see if I can hold the phone and record at the same time. So anyway, there's that. And push. So the light is on to drive. You can have it so it's not on for like hardwood, but keep it on. And so you can see here I've brushed my dog and got hair all over the place. So I'm going to have to show you how easily that vacuums up. Excuse the stain. The stain's not going to come up. Wish it could have the stain come up. But anyway, so there's that. And it leaves the freshly vacuumed lines in your carpet. So then I want to go under this. So yeah, look how far I can put it under there. Right? And then how easily I can turn it. And then if you look at this one's even lower, how far under I can go. It's just such an amazing vacuum cleaner. I am very, very happy with it. I'm doing this one-handed while I record. So anyway, I don't review things very often, but I just felt that this vacuum is amazing. Oh, and it also has...
Alright, so this is what it looks like. It's very tall. Open it up. You see instructions right away. It's great. Even more. Tall. handle. More accessories.
This is my exact 3rd year on this vacuum cleaner, and she's been good. And you know they lay down flat like that. She's flat. But I noticed today this, while it's flat, is broken. So like if you pick it up and it closes like that, but if you notice when I pull it back as if I'm vacuuming, the whole thing has broken now. So it's time to get a new one. She's been good to me, but $200, I got my worth out of it for 3 years. This is exactly 3 years March.
It is a very amazing quality. I've always had these. One thing I can admit that compared to other vacuums, the Shark has very good suction, especially with animals. I have never had a problem. As you can see, I immediately used it as soon as it arrived. I used to have a Shark myself, but I had to switch due to damaging the motor. I thought the quality would be different. As you can see, different complete quality standards. This one's a higher grade plastic versus this one. The only downside about this, I will admit, is it does kind of have a little bit of cheek.
This is the Dreamy Vacuum and Mop in One. There's a lot of really great features that I like about this one. For one, the display, which hopefully you can see that. It's nice and big, easy to read. Tells you what mode you're using, if you're mopping, vacuuming. The other thing I really like is how easy it is to pull out. This is for your clean water, and as you can see, it's super easy to go in and out. And then we have the dirty water tank and your vacuumed up stuff.
It's kind of wobbly. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that because of this tube right here, since it's kind of like not like a stiff part, but I feel like it's like wobbly right here. I don't know. I might be wrong, but I'm not sure. Maybe they sent me like a used one that someone already had, because I saw a little bit of like strange lines here. So I'm not sure if it's supposed to be like that, if that's the design of this, or if someone already used it or not. So yeah, I'm kind of like confused. And sometimes when
I was in the hospital for several days with severe asthma, and so we realized that we need a new vacuum, and this Kenmore is wonderful. It's actually very light. It was so easy to put together because I don't have a lot of energy, and the bags that go in it are these really thick I mean, I've never seen a laundry bag that thick. It's wonderful. And it says it's easy insert, so it's basically no touch is what it says, no touch bag technology. It's an intuition, and it's so easy to use. I just love it.
I don't know.
Comes on, goes off, flickers on and off.
Good job! Do you remember what fruit of the spirit is next? Next, we're going to learn about joy.